Supercharge your QuickBooks workflow and manage customers effortlessly with Method CRM. Once you're logged in, you land on the main dashboard, your central hub for quickly accessing contacts, activities, and key business insights. To add a new customer or potential lead, find and select the primary Add New button. Then choose the record type you need, such as contact. Fill in the essential details for your new contact. Focus on capturing at least the name, company, and primary contact information like email or phone number. After entering the necessary information, make sure to select the Save option to add this new record to your database. Now, let's track an interaction. Open the contact record you just created or another existing one, and locate the Activities section. Within the Activities area, select the option to add a new activity, choosing the type that matches your interaction, like logging a phone call or creating a follow-up task. Input the specifics for this activity, including a brief description or subject, any relevant notes, and the date. Then save it to keep the contact's history updated. Need to find information fast? Utilize the global search bar, typically located prominently at the top of your screen. Simply type a contact name, company, or keyword, and Method CRM will instantly display matching records for quick navigation. Remember, Method CRM's strength lies in its QuickBooks sync. Look for indicators or specific sections showing linked transactions or sync status to ensure data consistency. And that's your quick start to navigating and using Method CRM for more organized and efficient customer relationship management.